In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy iTunes gift card. So for those people who do not know iTunes is a store where you guys can buy music and it is powered by Apple. So basically there's not a separate gift card for iTunes. If you guys have an Apple gift card, then basically it's going to work for iTunes. So let me show you guys how you guys can get the Apple gift card. But before that, you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe with notification on. Let's move on. After you search for Apple Store, you want to click on where it says apple.com over here. Once you're over here, you want to click on this search icon. Then you want to search for Apple gift card. After you search for it, it's gonna be shown over here. Now you want to click on shop now. Now once you're over here, you just want to click on buy. Once you click on buy, it's gonna ask you whether you want a physical one or email one. I'm gonna go for email. You can choose whichever you want. And you can choose whichever design you want. I like this design, so I'm going to choose this. Then I'm going to enter the amount over here. I want a $25 one. And over here, I need to enter the recipient's name. And over here, I'm going to enter the recipient's email, which means who's going to receive it. So this card is going to be sent to this email. Now over here, I'm going to write the sender's name, which is this. And I'm going to write the sender's email as well. So I'm sending this to myself, so I'm writing the same email over here. Now over here, if I want to write a message, I can write it. But if I don't want to, I can leave it empty. I can scroll a bit down, click on add to bag. Once it's added to bag, I can click on where it says checkout. And once I click on checkout, it's gonna ask me whether I want to check out as a guest. If I want to sign up into my Apple ID, I want to check out as guest, so I'm gonna click on continue as guest. And once I click on continue as guest, it's gonna ask me to enter my credit or debit card. After entering that, I can click on continue to review. After that, basically my Apple gift card will be ordered and I can redeem it on my iTunes. So hope you guys understand on how you guys can buy Apple gift card. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe with notification on to our channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.